guys, I am going to make a Z Gallery inspired tea light rhinestone candle holder. The items that you're going to need your glass tea light candle. I got this from the Dollar Tree for $1. It's a little smaller than the original one at Z Galleries, but it's a good fit. You're going to need some rhinestone wrap of your color. I'm going to do it in gold. You're going to need some E6000 glue and also the glue gun just to start it. Now you're just going to start off using the glue gun, but you're not going to use it during the whole process, because if you do, it's going to give you that cloudy look, and you don't want that on the candle because of the glass. So I wasn't going to do a video on this because I didn't really know if people were going to like it, but I did share this on my Instagram, and I got a lot of likes and a lot of people like it. I'd rather pay $8 compared to $40 for this item. Now you could go to the size up. They do sell a size bigger at the Dollar Tree. I feel like if you get the bigger size, you're going to need at least 2 of these, but still the cost effectiveness will be much better than 40 bucks. So say if you buy 2 of these, you're still spending less than like 20 bucks for the whole look, which is still not bad compared to $40. So I am going to take this off, and I'm going to show you how I start doing it. Okay, so what you're going to do for the first part, I got all the sticky stuff that's the wrapping off, and the only time that you're going to use the glue gun, you're going to use it to start it. You're going to use it to start up here just to hold it to place. And I'm going to get it lined up right where I need it. And hold. And then you're just going to wrap it, start wrapping it around your little vase. So once I get it in place, you're just going to wrap it around the vase, just kind of hold it, because if you put the glue on it right away, like I said, it gives it that cloudy effect. And I wrapping it around. I don't put the E6000 all the way on it. Once I get it to stick, I just wrap it mostly until I can't control it, if that makes sense. Because my fear was I didn't want a gluey effect. So you can see how it's staying against the vase. It's staying against the vase, and I only put a little bit amount of E6000 on the vase. And that's how you want it to be. So like right here, I'm gonna have to put some E6000 right there because it keeps moving. So I'm gonna pop it up like that and just use it with my finger because it gets messy. And I'm just gonna, put it around the rim and plop it back down. I'm trying to do it a way so you guys can see it, but then it keeps moving. It's hard trying to do things when you're filming. And it's crazy because when I did this earlier without filming, I was just moving and shaking. But now that you know that people are looking at you, all the mistakes is happening. You see, it's a little bit more controlled now. I can just, you see, I got this on it and I'm not putting any glue on it now because I can control where the rhinestones is laying because it's already, it already stuck at my base. Once you get it stuck at your base, you can control more of the base. And it's still able to move. And I did it this way because if you put the E6000 down as you go on each row, I feel like if you make a mistake, you can't move it. And I just keep wrapping it until I get basically at the mid vase where I'm gonna need to start putting more E6000 on it. So I'm just gonna continue to do it, continue to wrap it around, and then, like I said, once I get to the middle of the vase, I will add more glue onto it, because for some reason at the middle it just gets like I can't control it more, and I have to just add another like rim of glue around it. What I like about it is that once I do add the glue, I can still move it. I can still move it down, spread it out some if I need to. So I'm going to continue to wrap it. I'm going to speed it up and you'll see the ending result. Okay, guys, before I finish it up, I wanted to show you here when I was talking about just wrapping it around. I do not have glue. Only way I have glue is right here and at the top. I can move the stones up and down if you can see me wiggling it, because I did not lay the E6000 on every step of the way. And I did that because I can give it breathable room. If I need to stretch it out a little bit, I can do so. So it's holding, but it's not, it doesn't have that cloudy effect by me putting glue all the way around it. So I'm going to continue everything out until I get all the way down to right here, and then I'm going to be done. Like I said, it's beautiful. This is the most simplest project, probably like a 10-minute project that you can do. You just keep wrapping it around and putting a little bit E6000 when you feel like you're losing control. So I'm going to wrap some more around it and I'll show you the end of it. So guys, I finished my tea light rhinestone candle like this. I took it all the way down to the bottom where you can see the stand is. It came out really, really pretty. And I got a little rose tea light from the Dollar Tree. And you can put them in there And look how cute it is. This is what I did before I started recording it. And I also wanted to show you, because I was telling you earlier in the video that there's 2 different sizes that you can do. 2 different vases at the Dollar Tree that you can actually buy to create this look. This is the bigger one. You can see how big it is. It's still beautiful. If you do this size, you more than likely would need 1 whole tube of rhinestone, maybe two things. But I'm gonna be honest with you, I used hot glue gun at first with this, and then I took it off and then I rewrapped it because I didn't like that cloudy look. So that's why some of the spaces you see kind of bare there, but I didn't want to get rid of the wrap because the wrap was still good. And then I just used the E6000 glue to wrap around it. But it still looks beautiful. I love it. And I just put some greenery in the inside because I'm going to put it on a bookshelf, and I can show you in a minute. But for the ones that you want to put on your table, you know, here are these. And I also made some little rhinestone little coasters that you can buy at Hobby Lobby for $7.99 each, but I made mine for basically $7.99 for 2. Aren't these beautiful? But I'm going to put this on my bookshelf over here. Just to add a little pop of color to the shelf. Oops, I almost killed myself. So it just gives it a little decorative look, add a little bling to it. And again, it was less than 40 bucks. You can do 2 different sizes depending on, again, what you are trying to succeed in your look. I like how both of them turned out. You can see how it just blings in the daytime. It just blings really good. And imagine like all the light hits on it, it just blings. And even the ones that I have on my table, excuse the mess, they are blinging. They're beautiful. I love them. So thanks again, guys, for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you have not subscribed, please like and subscribe. Give me some comments on any more DIYs that you would like for me to do. If you would like to see a tutorial how I did this one, is very simple and easy. Leave a note in the comment section and I can upload that video. Thanks again. Bye, guys.